Hi friends, how are you? I am Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD, and in this tutorial I will show you how to turn on the developer option and how to install apps on external memory. So let's get started. From here, tap on settings. See, for installing apps on external memory, the developer option should be turned on. See, in my phone there is no developer option, and if there is no developer option, I am not able to install apps on external memory. Okay, so at first I have to turn on the developer option. So how to turn on the developer option? For turning on developer option, tap on about phone, scroll down, tap on software information, and from here build number. So on build number you have to tap for 7 times consecutively. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and see, draw the current pattern. So I am drawing the pattern, maybe it is not showing. Okay, so developer mode has been turned on. Okay, so let's check. I'm going back, scroll down, see, developer option. So developer option now at this moment available, so tap on developer option. So scroll down, again scroll down, and see, force allow apps on external and makes any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifested values. Okay, so just turn on this option, and after turning on this option, if you install apps on your phone, that apps will be installed on your external memory. So in this way you can turn on developer option and you can install apps on your external memory. So if you like this video, give a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the very next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.